The Packet Tracer Thing Editor allows you to use graphics and scripting to add animation to your Packet Tracer file. You will understand what the Thing Editor is and how to use it. We will modify an existing device with a new graphic. Create a custom thing by manipulating a graphic and copying an already created script. Use the Device Template Manager to add your device to the device menus. We are going to make a punch-down tool animation. These are our two graphics we will use, the before graphic and the after graphic. This will demonstrate to you how to make a simple click and react animation. Drag a push button onto the PT desktop. Click on the push button, opening the push button window. Click on the Advanced button to show the Thing Editor. Click on the Thing Editor tab. Click on the first image and replace it with the before punch-down image. Click on the second image and replace it with the after image. Close out the window, click off your punch-down thing. Now, Alt-click to see your animation. The longer you hold the mouse button down, the longer the blade stays in the punch-down block. Now we're going to create a lock-in-place animation. First, we select your graphic that you prefer to use. Drag the toggle push button onto the PT desktop. Click on the toggle push button to open the window. Click on the Advanced button. Click on the Thing Editor and replace the images. Then close out the window, click off the thing. Now notice when you Alt-click, the animation stays in one position until you click it again. Now that we've created brand new devices, let's go ahead and register them to our Device Template Manager. With the Device Template Manager, you can make your own devices and add it to any of the device categories. The devices will transfer to another PC via the file you have saved. You can put your devices in whatever category you wish. Here are the steps to adding a device to the Template Manager. Create the device by using the Thing Editor. Click on the Tools tab, select Custom Device dialog. Click on the Select button in the upper right of the window. Select the device you made on the PT Desktop window. Inside the description box, name the function of your device. Then select the category you want the device to propagate. Click on the Add button, save the device with its name. Go to the category you created your device with and drag your new device to the PT Desktop window. Save your file. To remove, select the device in the Device Dialog Manager. Select the device you want to remove from the template box, then select the Remove button. This does not remove the device from the PT Desktop, but from the categories. Your device is now part of your file. If you open the file you created on another PC, the device will still be in the category you selected and have the same functions. If you would like to fine-tune your device, you could click on the Specifications tab and click on the Edit button to leave instructions on the device's use or hints on how to modify it. It's your choice. Have fun with the Thing Maker and Device Template Manager. Thank you.